Good day, everyone. My name is Iris Bantolo, and he is Brian San Jose. And we are here to tell and teach you guys about using antivirus software.
So first, what is a computer virus?
A computer virus is a damaging program that affects or infects the computer by altering the way the computer works without the user's knowledge or permission. It may be get by downloading unnecessary files from the internet, opening emails, especially spams, and lastly, from copying files from flash drive.
I Love You, Code Red, Melissa, Sasser, Zeus, Conficker, Stuxnet, MyDoom, CryptoLocker, and Flashback. These are the 10 most destructive computer viruses. Now, what is an antivirus software?
An antivirus software is a software utility that is designed to detect, prevent, disable, and remove viruses, worms, and other malware from a computer. You can then download a trustworthy antivirus software from the internet, such as the software we are going to use, the Avira Launcher. Now, we will start scanning our computer.
So this is how to scan a computer for viruses. First, look for an icon of Avira Launcher in the notification area or Avira Connect in your desktop. Second, click the Open at the right side of the Free Antivirus section. It will open in this tab.
Third, under the PC Protection section, click on System Scanner. After clicking, a list of scanning options will appear on the right side. Next step, find and right-click on the Full Scan. After, select the Start Scan Admin. The User Account Control tab will appear. Just select Yes to start scanning. This will take up to estimated 2 hours.